Your life doesn't change in one big moment. It changes through what you do every single day. So here's a simple daily routine that can slowly fix your life, step by step. Step 1, win your morning. Don't start your day with your phone. Wake up, get out of bed immediately, and do something small but intentional. Drink water, stretch, or just sit in silence for a minute. The goal is simple. Take control before the world takes it from you. Step 2, set one clear priority. Most people try to do everything and end up doing nothing. Instead, choose one task that actually matters today. Not 10 things, just one. This becomes your main mission for the day. Step 3, deep work block. Give that one task at least 60-90 minutes of full focus. No phone, no distractions, no multitasking. This is where real progress happens. Step 4, move your body. You don't need a perfect workout. Even 10-20 minutes of movement can reset your mind and increase your energy. A strong body supports a strong mind. Step 5, control your inputs. What you consume shapes how you think. Reduce useless scrolling. Avoid negative content. Feed your brain with something that actually helps you grow. Step 6, do one uncomfortable thing. Every day, challenge yourself. It could be studying longer, speaking up, or finishing something you've been avoiding. Discomfort builds strength. Step 7, reset your environment. Take a few minutes to clean your desk or room. A clean space creates a clear mind. It's simple but powerful. Step 8, reflect at night. Before sleeping, ask yourself one question. Did I move forward today? If yes, good. If not, adjust tomorrow. Step 9, sleep with intention. Don't just collapse into bed. Put your phone away, relax your mind, and give your body real rest. Because tomorrow's performance starts tonight. This routine is not complicated, but that's the problem. Most people ignore simple things and keep looking for complex solutions. If you follow this daily, your life won't change overnight. But slowly, your focus improves, your discipline builds, and your life starts moving in the right direction, step by step, day by day, until one day, you realize everything has changed.